What do we have? Do we have two triangles, or do we have a trapezoid? So I assign the table to the left to defend the trapezoid, and the table to the left to defend the triangles, and the ones to the left to defend the trapezoid. So when you're ready, table to the right. Why is that a trapezoid?
That's a trapezoid because because the two triangles are not separated.
Okay.
And if there weren't no there was no line.
But the trapezoid has two triangles in it, so it means it's all triangles, not a trapezoid.
Yeah, but we are talking about quadrilaterals.
Yeah, but the two triangles
Okay,
together.
but we're gonna allow each other to talk, right?
But the two triangles together make a
Mijo,
quadrilateral.
don't interrupt him, one at a time. So he was gonna say something. Go ahead.
But the two triangles don't separate the trapezoid, so it's still practically a trapezoid.
But if there's a line, it's gonna separate it, so it's just together. But it makes a trapezoid. A trapezoid on the outline. The outline or the perimeter doesn't make any sense if there's two triangles and they're put together.
Yeah, but the degrees won't be the quadrilateral degrees is supposed to be 300 degrees. 360.
Yeah, but two triangles. But a triangle has to have 180 degrees, and two of them is 360 together.
Yeah, but
that's why if
we're talking about quadrilaterals.
they're not separate.
Yeah, but if you put the two triangles together,
if they were separate, they're cut.
Yes, if they were two separate, if there wouldn't be a line if they were both together.
If they were separate, then it would have still been 360.
There is 360. Each triangle has 180 degrees inside of it. So 180 plus 180 equals 360. So it still equals 2.
So do we have?
But if we find the perimeter of that quadrilateral, would it be in the same when it's out?
That's a good question.
Yes, because if you put the two triangles together or flip it around, it'll still make the same perimeter.
You think so?
The two triangles are still attaching to the quadrilateral.
But it's still two triangles. The two skating triangles still make the quadrilateral.
It will make the
area
quadrilateral.
won't be the same.
The area will be the same if you add the two of them together.
But like Mara said, it's not separate still.
Okay, so the area would be the same, but what about the perimeter? Would the perimeter be the same?
Yes, you can flip it around.
Okay, hold on. Show us why, because I think that Mario's onto something. I don't think the perimeter should be the same, but can you prove
perimeter
it?
wouldn't be the same because if you take all this off right here, it'll be more than half of what it is.
But if you move this, well, if you take this and you put it over here, it's still going to be the same perimeter since they all have the same sides.
Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna help just a little bit, and I want you to defend your thinking because I think that all of you are onto something. So let me put the camera right here.